There, my Zaniacs. Welcome back to my kitchen where I'm going to make more edible yumness. Today I'm going to make carbonara, which is a pasta which is enhanced with egg and Parmesan cheese, the grated. Now, this usually is a dish that's paired with bacon or pancetta. However, my lack of foods in the kitchen while waiting on paydays just there's not certain items. Therefore, I'll be using what I've been able to find here. I do have the eggs and Parmesan, but I'm adding other stuff. What I selected was for some chopped red pepper. I don't have any of the other bell pepper colors, but you know, it'll suffice for taste, even though I'd prefer to add a different color. I don't have it. 2 cored and sliced tomatoes, and a hefty handful of packaged turkey from sandwiches. For sandwiches. Since my husband has been on a peanut butter and jelly kick lately, I need to put this into something. Now, the first bit of this video is a tiny bit of me chopping food. I've taken care of the meat and the red peppers already, but the tomatoes needed it too. There's not really any need to show this method of chopping stuff up with all 3. So let's get right into where I'm starting to put things together. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to start with these right here because they're going to take longer to cook. Then I'm going to be adding the turkey, and I've got my tomatoes right there because they're going to cook last because they're going to burn quick if I do that. I'm not looking for a lot of peppers in here, but just a handful. Let's spread them out a little bit and let them cook for a minute. Okay, so I just took a taste of one and they're mildly soft. They're getting there. We're going to add some meat here. You can see I did turn down the heat a little bit. I'm probably going to turn it down a little bit more. Three, I suppose. Okay. That's cooking really quick. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and throw the tomatoes in. Come on. A plate of tomatoes. I almost dropped it. Alright. Okay, so this is what's going to go in with the pasta for me. It's not classic carbonara, but it'll do. We don't have any bacon or pancetta here right now. I only would ever buy it to make this. I'll return shortly. Okay, so here's my big pot of water. I'm going to add just a little splash of olive oil. And I'm going to be turning this into the ocean, basically. I want really, really salty water, and we're going to get this to a boil and add this whole entire big pack of noodles because I'm going to just make the whole entire thing. Alright, I'll be back when we're boiling. Alright, 10 minutes it is. here's our noodles. Fresh to cook. Here's our old pan of stuff. Trying to make sure that not a lot of it sticks. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to get the rest of it in there in a second, but I'm going to, let's see, I have this turned off right now, and I'm going to keep it on here to keep things warm. And we're going to make a, that's what we need to make carbonara. Hold on. Alright, here we go. I got some salt and pepper in here. We're going to stir these up really good. And what we're going to implement in is a cup of Parmesan. Little bits at a time. So I'll be back when I get all this in there. Okay, so those of us in the South, we kind of know what grits look like. That's kind of how it turns out. Okay, so we're going to put these. I'm going to move these right here and move this over. Like I said, you don't want it on a hot burner. I've just been keeping it there to keep this warm. Okay, we're going to put that in and stir it up, and you guys will have carbonara. You know, stir it in really good. Make sure the eggs cook with the noodles, and make some toast with it. Something. But hang on, I'll give you some pictures. Thanks all for watching. You all have a good one, and may your tummies be happy. Bye everyone.